So let us speak today about practical geometry. Practical geometry will be used in real life by professions such as an architect or an engineer, maybe an electronics engineer or a civil engineer. These are few professions that I can come up right now. In this chapter, what we're going to look at is to construct a quadrilateral, what do we need? First, we need 5 measurements, which means 5 sides. Just for an instance. Second option, we could get length of 4 sides and diagonal, which means if we have length of 4 sides and a diagonal, we can draw a quadrilateral. If 2 diagonals are given to us and 3 sides are known to us, which means the measurements of 2 diagonals and measurements of 3 sides are given to us, we can still draw a quadrilateral. If 2 adjacent sides are given and 3 angles are known, we can still draw a quadrilateral. If 3 sides are given to us, its measurements, and 2 angles are given to us, we can still draw a quadrilateral. Let's for an instance look at case number 1. How do we use 5 measurements to come up with a quadrilateral? These are the 5 measurements which are given to us, and now we should try drawing a quadrilateral. We know that to draw a quadrilateral on a white paper, we will need a ruler and we will need something called as compass, and the compass looks like this. Let us start any side, so we just drew PQ. We P here and Q here. Now we know that from Q you can draw a QR. So let's quickly sketch our ideal figure somewhere here, how it would look like, not exactly like this. So we know that if this is PQ, then we are trying to draw a QR. It's saying QR is 6. Let's try drawing a QR. Now what I did is I used a compass and just drew a arc here of measurement 6. Now I have measurement PQ which I have drawn, which is 4. I have measurement QR. So the point R is somewhere here. We don't know where exactly it is, but I have drawn an arc with help of a compass. Now I can draw a PR here, which is actually a diagonal. So let me try drawing a PR here, and I will quickly take the compass and draw an arc here. So now I have taken a compass and drawn an arc here. So I got PR, which is 7. So now I know that the point R is this, and we know that QR is 6. So I could draw a QR. So let me join those points and make a segment. Now I've joined QR and made a segment. I've used a ruler to join it, and that QR is equal to 6. Now let me join PR, which is the diagonal here. We know that PR should be the diagonal. I can join it. So I have joined point P and R, and that is the diagonal here. I've shown in dotted lines because it is diagonal, and that is measure 7. So we have got PR, we used PQ. Now let's talk about RS and PS. Similarly, now I will take a compass from here, and I know that point S is closer to P and R. So the point S should be somewhere here, but I do not know exactly where it is. So I will take a compass and draw. What I've done is I've taken a compass and drawn an arc here, and my arc comes here, which is PS, which is 5.5. But I do not know where is S point right now unless I draw I take a compass and draw an arc from R to S, then I will be able to locate the point S. So let me take RS and use the compass. Now we know that the point S is actually this. Why? Because we drew an arc from here, from R, and I drew an arc from P, which was this one, and from R it was this one. We got a point S. Now I'll connect P and S and R and S and see how the quadrilateral looks like. Now I have joined RS, which happens to be 5, and I'll join PS. Now I have joined PS, which happens to be 5.5 centimeters. So what I understand is the quadrilateral which I envisaged to look like this looks like this. So we now with 5 measurements could draw a quadrilateral. Similarly, for item number 2, 3, 4 and 5, we should be able to use a compass and ruler and draw a quadrilateral. So this is practical geometry. Thank you very much.